Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My dear brothers and sisters, we live in a time when zina is easy, but halal nikah is hard. Our Prophet ﷺ made marriage simple, but today we have made it complicated. Look around our Muslim communities. They are having unrealistic expectations. Families demand a perfect son-in-law, rich, tall, handsome, PhD, house and car ready. Daughters pressured to look like social media models. Dowry and status obsession making them slow down. Some families ask for gold, property, or huge wedding halls. Simple Sunnah weddings are considered shameful. There are delayed marriages. Youth stay single till late 20s or 30s, trapped by career or family demands. Meanwhile, fitna surrounds them from phones to campuses. The Prophet ﷺ said, Ya ma'ashara shababi man istata'a minkum al-ba'ata falyatazawwaj. That is in Sahih Bukhari and Muslim, which means it's a muttafaqun alay. O young men, whoever among you can afford to marry, let him marry. But today, even those who can afford it are blocked by culture. When nikah is delayed, zina becomes normalized. Social media, dating apps, secret relationships, all are opening doors of haram. The Prophet ﷺ said, ما تركت بعدي فتنة أضر على الرجال من النساء. That is in Sahih Bukhari, that I have not left behind a greater fitna for men than women. This is not to believe women. It is to remind that fitna rises when halal doors are locked and haram doors are open. There must be some solution. Parents must simplify marriage, stop chasing status, seek piety and good character, follow the sunnah of simple weddings. The best marriage is the easiest and least costly. That is hadith by Ibn Hibban. Youth must be proactive. Don't wait for life to be perfect. Start small, start halal. Mosques and communities should help arrange collective nikah and pre-marriage counseling. If we don't fix this nikah crisis, we will cry tomorrow over our youth falling into sins. Let's revive the sunnah, break the cultural chains, and open the doors of halal before haram takes over. May Allah make nikah easy for our sons and daughters. Ameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.